Speed up the connection between your Insta360 X4 and Android device for free. You can also use your X4 as a webcam. Check out this video here on the channel, like and subscribe so you don't miss future tech tips. Now let's compare. Here's the X4 connected to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra using the usual Wi-Fi connection. I can remote control the camera, which is a great feature by the way, and I can view the pictures and videos from the camera and download files to the phone. When I download one of the videos, we can see the speed here, which is, let's say, on average, 32 megabytes per second. Now, let's speed things up. First, I switch off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, clear the download history and delete the file from the phone. I connect the camera to the phone using a USB-C cable. On the camera, I now select Android mode. With this wired connection, I can again remote control the camera and view and download pictures and videos. So let me download the same video once more. Now we get, let's call it 49 megabytes per second. So we get roughly 1.5 times the speed of the Wi-Fi connection, which is significant because 8K video files are pretty big and can take a lot of time to download, and every possible speed up is highly appreciated. What's also highly appreciated is when you like this video and let me know which Android device you have and the speed up you get using USB compared to Wi-Fi. So this is a neat little feature of the Insta360 X4. Try it next time you copy files to your Android device. Subscribe and support below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.